Best cordless for grass trimmers 2026. Sick of lugging around heavy gas trimmers or tripping over extension cords? I feel you. Finding the best cordless grass trimmers in 2026 isn't easy with so much junk out there. So I bought and tested the top 5 models to see which ones actually cut it, so you don't waste your money. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Black & Decker Weed Whacker with Auto Feed BESTA 510. Picking this up, the first thing I noticed was how surprisingly light it is for a 6.5 amp motor. The plastic housing feels durable and the grip fits nicely in the hand. Even though I'm mostly looking at cordless models today, I had to test this corded electric one because of its sheer raw power. Out in the yard, the auto feed spool actually worked. No bumping the head on the ground every 2 minutes. It chewed right through thick, overgrown crabgrass by my driveway without bogging down once. Converting it from a trimmer to an edger just took a quick twist, leaving my sidewalks looking incredibly clean. If you have a smaller yard and don't mind managing an extension cord for reliable power, this is for you. But if you want total freedom from cords for tight spaces, wait until you see this little handheld option I tested.
Product number 2, Sunjoe 2-in-1 Cordless 7.2 volt Handheld. When I pulled this Sunjoe shear out of the box, it felt almost like holding a chunky pair of hair clippers. It's really compact, and the safety switch placement feels natural under my thumb. I use this mainly around my front flower beds, where a full-size string trimmer would completely destroy my delicate plants. The 4-inch grass shear blade snipped neatly around the stems, and swapping over to the 6-inch hedge trimmer blade took me about 5 seconds. The 7.2 volt battery won't clear an entire overgrown field, but it gave me around 40 minutes of steady runtime, which was plenty for detail work. The safety cover is a nice touch for tossing it back in the shed. If you need something for tight, precise trimming, grab this. If you need a machine that can take care of your whole lawn, I tested something much bigger. Product number 3, Black & Decker 3-in-1 Combo. Snapping the MTC 220 together, the build quality immediately impressed me. The mower deck attachment feels tough, and the trimmer balances really well once you click the battery into place. I honestly thought a 3-in-1 combo sounded like a gimmick, but testing it in my backyard proved me wrong. It transitions from a standard 12-inch string trimmer to a surprisingly capable little lawnmower just by dropping the base into the wheeled deck. I used it to tackle a steep, uneven hill behind my fence where pushing my heavy gas mower is just impossible. Having 2 batteries included meant I easily finished the whole job without stopping to recharge. The adjustable height completely saved my back too. If you live in a townhome or have a tiny yard with limited storage, this is absolutely perfect. Speaking of wheels, I found another unique tool that totally saves your knees. Product number 4, Scott's Outdoor Power Tools LSS 10272 CPS 7.5 volt. Holding the handle of this Scott's trimmer, it feels super lightweight, and the wheeled extension pole is honestly brilliant. The plastic body is sturdy, though the wheels do feel a tiny bit hollow. What I loved during testing was just how easy it made edging along my walkway. Instead of bending over and crouching for 20 minutes with a handheld shear, I just rolled this right along the concrete edge. The 7.5 volt lithium battery gives enough juice to keep the blades moving briskly through standard grass, though it will struggle if you hit thick, woody weeds. The trigger on the extension wand is responsive and very comfortable to hold down. If you want pristine edges around your garden beds but suffer from back or knee pain, you absolutely need this in your shed. Let's scale things way up for those massive, heavy-duty bush trimming jobs I tackled. Product number 5, CC 20-volt Hedge Trimmer Cordless. Grabbing this CC trimmer, the first thing that caught my eye was the beefy 20-inch dual-action blade. For a large tool, the weight distribution is fantastic, so my arms didn't immediately feel tired holding it. During my weekend yard cleanup, this thing was an absolute beast. I took it straight to the overgrown privacy hedges separating my neighbor's yard. The wide blade gaps sliced right through the thicker branches without catching or jamming once. My absolute favorite part is the rotatable handle. I could easily turn it to cut vertically without awkwardly twisting my wrists. Plus, it comes with 2 massive batteries, which honestly outlasted my own energy levels for the entire afternoon. If you have tall hedges, thick shrubs, or just a massive yard that requires serious cutting power, this is hands down your best bet.
Finding the right trimmer really comes down to your yard size and what your body can handle. I've dropped links to all 5 models in the description below, so check those out for the current prices. Drop a like, and I'll see you later.